Hello everyone, welcome back to my vlog, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, this Pinay Vlog. For today's vlog, we're having shamrock utap for snack for today with matching adult plus Burr brand milk right here. Pure powder milk, Burr brand plus adult from the Philippines. Philippines with love. We came to the Philippines to get Burr brand Adult Plus powder milk. Ha ha ha. Enjoy and God bless. So long and enjoy the rest of your day. Like and share and subscribe. If you're new to my YouTube channel, you haven't liked and share and subscribe, please don't forget to pull the notification bell, hit all for more updated for the next vlog. And shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Hello everyone. Shout out to you all. And I miss you guys. Like and share and subscribe. It's me again, Espinay Vlog. Let's have some utap shamrock for snack. It's crunchy and yummy and delicious. Promise is not too sweet. It's just perfect for your coffee, milk, tea, or iced tea, or anything you want to match with it. So enjoy and God bless and happy Wednesday to all. It's Wednesday night here in Maryland, USA, and God bless everyone. Enjoy the rest of your day and let's eat and God bless us all. So it's yummy and delicious and nutritious. So it's yum, yum, yum. Enjoy and God bless everyone. Let's eat and bon appetit. So enjoy the rest of your day and God bless us all. So if you're new to my YouTube channel, you haven't liked, share, and subscribe,